Hello tech enthusiasts. Today I'm excited to guide you through the setup of ZVPN for your Psiphon server. If you haven't already, make sure to check out my previous video on creating a Psiphon server. And of course, don't forget to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. To kick things off, head to your mobile app store or the web, download ZVPN and install it. Once it's installed, launch the app and you'll find yourself on the home screen. Next, let's configure the Psiphon protocol settings. Check the Siphon box to proceed with the setup. Now, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon to access Psiphon settings. From the list of protocols, select Psiphon for further configuration. Retrieve the Psiphon server hacks key from your earlier setup, as shown in my previous video, and input it into the respective field. If you wish to use a proxy server with your Psiphon setup, enter the details in the provided field. With all the settings in place, return to the main screen and click on the Start button to initiate the VPN connection. And there you have it, a seamless setup of ZVPN for your Psiphon server. If you found this guide helpful, show some love by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Stay tuned for more tech insights, and until next time, happy browsing.